Hey guys, how you doing? Mr. Short here. Wanted to take a minute to go over this week's assignment. Today is November 16th, Monday, November 16th, and this week we're going to be talking about healthcare, careers, and environmental health and safety. All right, so this week's going to be a lot like last week. You're going to log into Canvas and you're going to watch the message from Mr. Short, and then you're going to complete the steps in Paxton Patterson. All right, so what I want you to do this week, I want you to, after you've watched this video, I need you to, on the first day of your cohort, so that if you're cohort A, that's going to be Monday the 16th, and if you're cohort B, that's going to be Thursday the 19th, okay? You're going to log into Paxton Patterson, and you're going to complete these following steps under healthcare and careers, okay? What is healthcare? The evolution of medicine and healthcare, specializations in healthcare, introduction to careers in healthcare, 127, health science career pathways, and then you're going to also have an health science pathways exploration activity. These are both very good steps down here at the bottom to kind of open your eyes to some different opportunities you can have later on in life in the healthcare industry as far as a career. I have some pretty good friends that work in the healthcare field. Have one who is a nurse, one who is in medical device sales, and then I have another one. She is actually in school right now to be a surgical tech. So I've got a lot of friends that work in the healthcare community. Great jobs, great career path. So really spend some time on the health science career pathways exploration. That'll be good for you. Okay. So again, that's cohort A. This is going to be Monday for you guys. You're going to work on this one, the healthcare and careers, and cohort B. This is going to be Thursday. You guys are going to work on this. Okay. All right, so what do you guys do on day 2 this week? All right, so let's go back to the module. All right, so on day 2, so cohort A, this is going to be Tuesday for you guys, and cohort B, this is going to be Friday for you guys. You guys are going to go to the second, or actually the third step in the module, environmental health and safety. Okay, you're going to go into environmental health and safety, and you're going to complete these steps right here. Okay, support service career pathway. Sorry guys, my dog just walked in the house. Support services career pathways, environmental health and safety, diseases, bloodborne pathogens, infection control, central sterile services department, creating a sterile environment, and activity, which the activity you're going to complete is preventing disease transmission. Okay, this is just some very good general information on this topic. But at the same time, it gives you an idea of some things that you would be exposed to, some things you would be required to know if you did decide to go into this line of work. All right. Again, that's your assignments for the week. As always, I am available by email. Unfortunately, I will not be back in the classroom this week. I will be back next week. All right, so I will be back next week. Let's see, today is the 16th, so I will be back in class with you guys on the 23rd. If you have any questions, you need me for anything, you can always email me, shoot me a message in Canvas, and I'll reply and I'll get back to you just as soon as I possibly can. I will be having our normal Wednesday afternoon Google Meet this Wednesday at 1 o'clock. If you have any questions, feel free to jump on there. It's not a strict, you have to be there from 1 to 2. It's open from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. So anytime in that hour you want to jump on, ask some questions, get some help with anything, I'll be there for you. I know you guys are also I'm having to share that time with your PE classes. So just really anytime that you can get on during that hour, I'll be available for you. All right. You guys have a great week. I hope you learn a lot. If you need anything, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. All right. You guys have a great day. Thanks.